Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain alliteration and assonance. So let's start with alliteration. Alliteration refers to the repetition of same consonant sounds at the beginning of the words that are close to each other in a sentence. Let's take some examples. The ship sailed and sank. Now here in this sentence we are having three words which are starting with S. But the difference is when you are saying the word ship, it starts with the sound sh, and if you are saying sailed and sank, it is starting with s. So in this sentence, sailed and sank is the repetition of same consonant sound, so it is alliteration. The next sentence, I had to hurry home. So here there is a repetition of same consonant sound, so it is also alliteration. We also use alliterations in tongue twisters to make it more interesting. Let's take an example of it. She sells seashells at the seashore. Now here the sound is repeating. Now here there is a repetition of same consonant sounds. We also use alliterations in advertisements, brand names and names to make it more memorable. So here we have the example of advertisement. Don't dream it, drive it. It is an advertisement of a car, and here there is a repetition of same consonant sound. Another advertisement is made to make your mouth water, and this also we are having the repetition of same consonant sound. Next we have the brand name Best Buy and Coca-Cola. It is the repetition of same consonant sound, so it is also an alliteration. Next we have the names. Donald Duck. Here also there is a repetition of same consonant sound. William Wordsworth. So this is also an example of alliteration. Next, assonance. Assonance refers to the repetition of same vowel sound within a group of words starting with a consonant sound. Men sell the wedding bells. In this we are having the vowel sound of E. It is a repetition of same vowel sound, but these words are starting with a consonant sound. Next, honesty is the best policy. And this also we are having the repetition of same vowel sound. Next, Mike likes white stripes on his bike. Here we are having a long I sound. Next, the engineer held the steering to steer it. Here we are having a long E sound, which has been repeated here. Next, go slow over the road. Here also we are having the repetition sound of a vowel. Next, try to fly the kite. Now in this sentence we are having the repetition of same vowel sound, but here when I say try, the word is ending with Y, but when I say try, I get a long I sound. Similarly in fly also, it is also ending with Y, but when I say fly, I get a long I sound. So the long I sound here also is a assonance. So this sentence also shows that it has a repetition of same vowel sound. So it is also an assonance. The best trick to remember the difference between alliteration and assonance is that this word alliteration is ending with N and N is a consonant sound. So alliteration refers to the repetition of consonant sound. Next, assonance. Assonance is ending with E. E is a vowel sound here, and assonance refers to the repetition of the same vowel sound. So I hope you have understood the difference between alliteration and assonance. For more figures of speech, keep watching my channel. Thank you very much.